What if I told you that becoming a millionaire isn't about earning millions? It's about following a few simple money rules that most people ignore. The truth is, many wealthy people don't have secret tricks. They just make better financial decisions every single day. If you follow these 10 rules consistently, you can completely change your financial future. Let's get started. Rule 1. Pay yourself first. Before you pay your bills, before you spend money on anything else, pay yourself first. Set aside at least 10 to 20% of every paycheck for saving or investing. Treat investing like a monthly bill you never skip. Your future self will thank you. Rule 2. Spend less than you earn. No matter how much you make, if you spend more than you earn, you'll always struggle financially. Avoid unnecessary purchases. Live below your means. The gap between what you earn and what you spend is where wealth begins. Rule 3. Invest early. Time is your biggest advantage. Even small investments can grow into something amazing thanks to compound interest. You don't need thousands of dollars. You just need to start. The earlier you invest, the more time your money has to grow. Rule 4. Avoid bad debt. Not all debt is bad, but high-interest credit card debt can quietly destroy your wealth. Pay off expensive debt as quickly as possible. The less interest you pay, the more money you keep. Rule 5. Build multiple income streams. Relying on one paycheck is risky. Successful people build extra sources of income. It could be investing, rental income, dividends, a side business, or freelancing. The more income streams you have, the stronger your financial future becomes. Rule 6. Buy assets, not liabilities. Assets put money into your pocket. Liabilities take money out. Before buying something, ask yourself one simple question. Will this make me money or cost me money? That one question can change your financial life. Rule 7. Make your money work for you. If you're only making money while you're working, your income will always have limits. Invest in assets that keep earning even while you sleep. That's how wealth grows over time. Rule 8. Never stop learning. Money is a skill. The more you learn, the better decisions you'll make. Read books, listen to podcasts, watch educational videos. Your knowledge will always be your greatest investment. Rule 9. Control your spending. Wealth isn't about buying everything you want. It's about making smart choices. Small daily expenses may seem harmless, but over time, they can cost you thousands of dollars. Spend with purpose. Rule 10. Stay consistent. This is the most important rule of all. Building wealth takes time. Don't quit just because results are slow. Keep saving. Keep investing. Keep learning. Small actions repeated for years create extraordinary results. Direct hit ending CTA 345 to 405. Remember, millionaires aren't created overnight. They're built one smart decision at a time. Which money rule do you need to improve the most? Leave your answer in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more simple strategies to build lasting wealth. Thanks for watching.